Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the founding director of Heads for Trails Community Interest Company, and we're a social enterprise set up to help people better manage their mental health through trail running. Only we do things a bit differently. We'll help you connect with the natural environment. We call it movement through nature. Oh, that's better. We'll give you the skills you need so you can get out onto the hills safely and better manage your mental well-being. Oof. We're reframing the concept of running. It's not exercise. It's not training. It's fun. So if you could bear with us, we're just starting up. Whee! So find us on Facebook, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll be posting all updates on there. Keep a look out for our website going live at some point in the very near future. And if this is something that you think you might be interested in, and you've got any questions whatsoever, please do get in touch with us, because we absolutely love to chat. You can send us an email, info@headsfortrails.org.uk, and you'll find the rest of the links after this video. Right, I'm going to crack on with my run now. Thanks for watching. Bye.